Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to integrate Deepseek in Make.com. Now once you've signed up or logged into Make.com, you can actually sign up for free. All you do is come here, click on scenarios, okay? Or you can come here at the top right, click on create a new scenario. So you can create one from scratch yourself, right? Choose your own, of course, triggers and things like that, when to run it, choose the apps. So you can come here and just search for a DeepSeek. Okay, DeepSeek AI can use that, and there are different options you can use. For example, create a chat completion. You can list models, can get balance, or make an API call. Choose whatever one you would like, right? Or what you could do is use their templates. Now here you'd have to, connect to DeepSeek. So create a connection. So go ahead and come here, name your connection, and get the API key. Just put in the API key and save. Or you could also use their templates, right? You'll go ahead and after you're done with this, you'll set your own triggers, okay? You'll go ahead and have your own inputs, your own outputs, when you want to run it, if you only want to run it once. And here, if I come to templates, okay, we come here under public templates. You can just search for example, DeepSeek. And we'll get here, DeepSeek AI. Okay, you'll see all the public templates. There is one, I saw this one. So this is AI crawling, okay? Allows you to scrape basically any website and send the extracted content to, a large language model for further processing. So you can use their guided setup, or you can do a new scenario completely from this same template. So you can go ahead and begin with this, okay? Do the connections and follow along step by step. Really that easy and simple. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.